right inside. What makes a person truly happy? In the heart of joy, a secret's found, not in